Decoding. First off, dive into English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, first off. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you use it confidently in your conversations. First off is an informal phrase used to introduce the first point or reason in a series of statements. It's similar to saying, firstly, or to begin with. When someone uses this phrase, they are signaling to the listener that they have multiple points to discuss, and they are starting with the first one. Using first off is simple. Let's look at some examples. 1. First off, I want to thank everyone for coming to my birthday party. 2. When discussing her travel plans, she said, first off, I'll visit Paris, then I'll head to Berlin. Notice how in each case, the speaker has more to say following the initial statement introduced by first off. While first off is straightforward, there are a few common mistakes learners make. 1. Using it without a follow-up point. Saying, first off, implies there will be a second or subsequent point. Avoid using it if you don't have another point to make. 2. Overuse. While it's a useful phrase, try not to start every point in a conversation with first off. Use other transition words like secondly, next, or additionally for variety. There are other phrases in English that can introduce a series of points. Here's how first off compares. First off is more informal than firstly or to begin with. Firstly is often used in more formal writings or presentations. To begin with is neutral and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. There you have it. First off is a handy phrase to introduce the first in a series of points or reasons. Remember to use it appropriately and mix it up with other transition words for variety. We hope this video has shed light on its usage. Happy learning, and until next time.